This is a 4-pack of dining chairs I bought and I'm obsessed with them. They are so affordable and incredibly easy to assemble, so let me show you a closer look. I bought the 4-pack in black, so you've got 4 chairs, 4 sets of legs, all of the assembly stuff, and 2 sets of instructions. This is the C1190, and it looks really straightforward. You put the legs together, you screw them loosely. This is when we're gonna put on our feet. Here's the bottom of the chair and the top. You screw them tightly to the chair and you're done. They've got 1 baggie per chair, so it's super easy. This is everything that comes for 1 chair. Very important to note, and it's not glaringly obvious in the instructions, but you have 5 screws for each chair. There is 1 short one and that goes in the center, and the 4 longer ones are what attach the chair. I love that it comes with these self-sticking bits for the feet. Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice.
Is it supposed to be cold?
That's actually really, really comfortable. Like, perfectly supports your back, like the perfect kind of position. Padded here. Perfect height. This is my 10-year-old. Feet barely touching. All right, I'm gonna assemble the rest and swap them out for our old dining chairs over there. And here is the info on the bottom of each chair. We have 100% polyurethane foam pad, no flame retardant, complies with US CPSC requirements for upholstered furniture flammability. Also, great little bonus, they gave you 2 extra feet per chair, so keep those for when you need to replace them. Here we are, right at the table. They look so nice. They're the perfect height. They scoot right in and under the table. They are nice and compact, but comfortable, easy to keep clean, just the perfect, very affordable, quick and easy to assemble, comfortable, sturdy, nice looking dining table chairs. They just glide right over the floor, really nice. Perfect height for me and the kids. Lean back, it has some give, and it just like really, really comfortable. Because this is hard plastic, and then this is PU leather with great cushioning actually. They are really easy to keep clean. There is this crevice here, but also really easy to keep clean. You just can vacuum in there, wipe it up, etc. So comfortable. Oh.